Please be seated. Your test will begin momentarily. Man, this test about to be a breeze. You feel me? Damn, was that a sound? I think there was a sound. Is somebody chewing outside? God, dog. Hold on. Am I breathing correctly? Nah, I'm breathing. Yeah, that ain't me. It is. Is it me? You are hitting the button when there is no sound. I'm tripping, bro. I gotta get on rhythm. Press. Okay. Why is my heart beating so hard? And I can hear it through my damn ears. What the hell is going on here? Okay, I gotta catch a rhythm. Here we go. Yep. Maybe if I close my eye. I think that'll help. Let me close my eye. Yep. Nope, that didn't help at all. You are still pressing the button, and there's no damn sound. I don't know what the hell wrong with me. I think I'm tripping for sure. All right. Damn, he ugly as hell. Let me get back. Let me focus. Okay, here we go. Damn, why push it so many times? Get his ass up out my booth. I done told him 2 times to stop pushing the damn button when it ain't no sound. But apparently, he don't want to listen to me. Look at him. He's still pushing the button. Hey, instructor, get him the hell up out of here, because I'm about to choke him with these damn cords if he don't listen to me. It ain't funny. Get the damn headphones off your head and get the fuck up out my booth right now. Move it.